Hello everyone, this is Sandeep. Today I am going to explain another program of loop, and I am going to explain with the help of the flowchart. Now this is the program of display even numbers, and if you see, it is written user choice. So the meaning of user choice is that if I want to display 5 even numbers, it's going to display 5 even numbers. If I want to display 10 even numbers, so it's going to display 10 even numbers. If I want to display 100, it's going to display 100 even numbers. So when you have to display the values according to your will, such type of programs are known as user choice. So this is the program that to display even numbers according to the user choice. Now for that I have to take one extra variable. If you see in the flowchart, I have taken one of the extra variable with EV I have taken one more variable n, and in this n variable I am going to input the user's choice. Now let us do the dry run and understand how the user choice program is going to work. Okay, so what is the value of EV? It is 2. Value of I is 1. I am going to input the value of n. Okay, now suppose I need to display first 3 even numbers. So I have inputted the value from the keyboard of n is what, 3. So when I input the value of n 3, and if you see here inside the decision box, the condition which is here, that is I less than equals to n, and the value of I is 1 and the value of n is 3. So this particular loop is going to work for how many times? 3 times. So how many even numbers I am going to get? 3 even numbers. So the value of n is 3, value of I is 1. Let us do the dry run. First the even number is going to print. What is the value inside EV? It is 2. So 2 is going to print. We need the next even number. Okay, so the equation is EV equal to EV plus 2. So 2 plus 2, that is 4. The value of I is 1. 1 plus 1, that is 2. The loop will carry on. The value of I is 2. 2 less than 3, the condition is true. It will come to the yes part. What the next value is going to print? That is 4, because inside EV it was 4. Okay, then what? 4 plus 2, 6. Now the new value inside EV is 6, and the counter variable increment by 1. The value of I is 2. 1 is added to it. Now it is what? 3. So value of I is 3 and EV is what? 6. The loop will carry on. 3 equals to 3. Yes, the condition is true. What the next value is going to print? That is 6. Now it will come to this equation. The value of EV is 6. 2 is added to it. That is 6 plus 2, 8. And the value of I is 3. 1 is going to add with it. So 3 plus 1, 4. Again the loop will come here. That is at the decision point. 4 less than 3. Here the condition will get false. It will come to the no part and then stop. So in this way this loop carry on for 3 times. Now suppose I again input again run the program, and if I input any other value inside n, suppose I input 2. So how many times this loop is going to carry on? For 2 times, because I is going to compare with n and the value of n is what? 2. So this loop is going to carry on for 2 times and we'll get the 2 even numbers. Let us see. Now the value of n is 2. 1 less than 2, the condition is true. It will come to this yes part. The value of EV is what? 2. So 2 is going to print. Okay, then what is value of EV? It is 2. 2 is going to add with it. So 2 plus 2, 4. What is value of I? It is 1. 1 plus 1, it will be what? 2. The loop will carry on. 2 equals to 2, the condition is true. It will come to this part. So the 4 is going to print, because the last value which was inside EV, it was 4. Then 4 plus 2, it will be what? 6. And what is the value of I? It is 2. 2 plus 1, that is 3. It will come to this part. 3 less than 2, the condition get false. It will come to the no part and stop. So I hope friend you understand how the user choice program works. Thank you.